Greetings, traders. This is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will demonstrate how to access TopstepX mobile-friendly version on an iPhone. You can use whichever web browser you're most comfortable with. However, we recommend using Safari. By tapping the Safari icon, you want to search for TopstepX.com. Once you select the screen, you can now log in. Your username will be found in your dashboard, and your password will be emailed to you upon sign up. Once you are finished logging in, tap the sign in button, and you'll be brought to the main screen, which is the trade screen. Note that at the time of this video, the market was not open, so there is nothing to show here in real time. However, by tapping on the chart icon at the bottom, we can see historical chart data. An easier access than going to the website every time is to add it to your home screen. We do this by the bottom square and up arrow, scroll down, and tap on Add to Home Screen. At the top right, click Add. You will now see the icon for TopstepX Mobile Friendly on your home screen. By tapping it, you can log in, and you'll be brought right back to the trade panel. Let's tap on the chart one more time. And this is the mobile view of TopstepX on the iPhone. The bottom right, we have 3 dots and a horizontal line. By tapping on those dots, you have several options to choose from. The top option is Account. By tapping on Account, you have submenus for quick access to your information, a view of all your accounts, any open positions, any pending orders, and any historical trades. Below that, we can tap on Trading. This will bring us to all of the trade access panels. For example, the DOM, the order card, the settings for copy trading, and the settings for risk settings. For security, when you are done trading, it is always best to log out and bring you right back to the username and password screen for your next session. This concludes the TopstepX mobile-friendly version on iPhone.